everyday work from home mom, Jamie. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing another project declutter, and I am actually going to review this palette, Jackie Aina's palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. You can't get this on Amazon, but you can get this at abh.com. So I'm going to go ahead and review this palette. I'm going to swatch it for you. As you can tell, I've used it a lot. Just look at how dirty it is. And, well, not dirty, but, you know, messy. And I'm using it right now on my eyes. So I'm actually wearing it today. I love this palette, and yeah, so I thought it deserves a little attention. I love the colors. The color scheme is really nice. It's just one of those color schemes that you can wear with winter. It's great winter colors, but it's also, you know, not bad for fall. And it's great for winter and fall. It's great for every day, but then you can also wear these during the nighttime when you go out and do that kind of thing. I don't go out anymore as a mom. I'm pretty much a stay-at-home mom. But this would have been a color I would have worn when I went out back before I was married. So it's definitely great. As far as mature beauty, because that is my focus on this channel, is how does it work with mature beauty? It's not, it goes on really well. You don't have to pile it on. It's very pigmented. This is just a quick one or two, you know, tap on with a brush. And what I usually do is I'll put it on my brush and I just tap on what I'm doing. So here I actually used the, Sponsored on the ends, which is this greenish color right here. And then I used Trust Issues on the inside, but those are actually over the Supreme. So I put Supreme all over, which is this pink right here. And then I put Trust Issues on the inside where you can see the sparkle here. And then the outside was just Sponsored. And that's how I laid my eyeshadow on for today. And I just basically, what I do is when I'm using it, I'll just, let's just take some Sponsored here because that's the last color I used. I'll just do, I'll for the mature aspect, because I don't like to pile on the makeup, I'll just go like this. And look how well that covers. Like that's just super, I mean, brilliant. And don't you just love that green shine? I love it. And it's so, it goes on so easy, and it actually has great coverage. So you don't have to pile, and that's what I'm trying to say. You don't have to pile it on. Let me pull all the colors out so you can look at them in comparison to how they look on my skin. And then you can go ahead and be a judge on whether or not you want to buy this. This is actually on, okay, so we're going to do our first one. This is actually available on the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's available for $45 if you decide that you like the colors. That pink I just think is brilliant. It's beautiful. And look, I'm serious, like this is just applying it real quick on my fingers. That's what I'm saying. It's super pigmented. So there's your first four colors. And it's super pigmented that it's so easy to go on. It just goes on without having to, you know, pile on and cake it into your fine lines and wrinkles, right? So that's the first four colors. Let's go to the next four colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is Soul in order. Soul, Supreme, Pinker, and Bigwig, sorry. This is another one of my favorite colors. It's a gold color. I'll put it right here. Can you see that? You can't. Let's do it. Let's put the gold underneath it. So there's the gold. And that's Dawala's. This is a really nice contrast dark color. It's called Credit. And Lituation is another one of my favorites because it's got, look at that shine. Look at that beautiful shine in there. You see all that shine in there? I mean, that's just gorgeous. Okay, so that is the first row, and now we're gonna go up to the second row. Yeah, I'm afraid I'm gonna run out of arm space, but we're gonna try. So this is Xanin. And that is kind of like a coppery shine to it. And then you've got Wiggley's. Beautiful colors. I mean, absolutely gorgeous colors. And then you've got Shookington, which is probably one of my most used colors on this palette. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Okay. Then Trust Issues is probably my second most used color on this palette. And I basically just put that over. It's usually my overlay. Today I'm using it as an overlay. Then you've got Edges. Oh, I went over my Shookington. You can kind of see it. Let's put that Trust Issues back up there so you can see it again. Okay. And then you've got Sponsored, which is another one of my favorite colors. Ooh, that's a lot of colors. And then you've got Ginger. All right, so that is your color palette on my arm. I mean, it's just, look at that shine, and the pigment is amazing. So I absolutely love it. I'm going to grab a makeup remover wet wipe and use that to go ahead and remove it, and I'll link up down below. It's amazing to remove. It's so fast, quick, and easy. I should have grabbed it before I did this video so you could have seen how fast and easy it does. But look, that is beautiful. Look at all those beautiful colors. And so I can't even begin to tell you how much I recommend this palette. I use it all the time, and I will use it till it is gone. It is definitely one of my favorites. And so I'm really glad that I got it. And I think I got it in one of my boxes. And back when I was getting subscription boxes. And I have not looked back on that one. So definitely great colors. What kind of color scheme would you use if you had these colors on your palette and you could use these? What kind of look would you design? Give me like a 3-color look. Maybe I'll try it one of these days on one of my next videos. Comment down below. Let me know if you've tried this palette. If you haven't tried this palette, if you've seen this palette, or if you're interested in trying this palette, what kind of color scheme would you use on your eye? Like a 3-color look would you use on your eye? Comment that. Any questions you might have about this palette, let me know in the comment section below as well. I will be using this throughout the year, and so I will easily be able to answer many questions that you might have. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you like family stuff, which is the majority of the stuff we do on this channel, I do reviews. Right now I'm working on decluttering all my makeup and skincare and looking at it from a mature skin aspect. So I've got that going on, plus all of our home stuff that we do, all of our traveling we do, traveling with kids stuff, where I talk about raising kids, parenting, also homeschooling, and I go to college and as well. And so yeah, cooking, cleaning, all kinds of gardening, we do everything. We've got a camping video coming up. So we've got a lot going on this channel. So if you like that kind of stuff, you want to be part of our community, we'd love to have you join us. So subscribe to the channel, click the bell, click a like on the video so the algorithm realizes that this is a good video. Give us a comment down below. That helps with the algorithm as well. And then also join me over on TikTok and Instagram. I've got them both linked up down below for some short form videos and pictures that you might be interested in as well, and complementary to what we do on this channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. I am your everyday work from home mom, and I'll see you soon. Bye.